Thandeka, my girl, what have you done now? I mean, advocates are not happy. Like, really? Hi, welcome back. My name is Sponsor. If you're new here, please subscribe. You're coming back for the third time. Please do subscribe. Disclaimer though, I said what I said. I meant what I said. If you feel like it's a slander, please report me to your nearest police station. Otherwise, Thandeka has been trending. Why? Because she said that Nigerians have bigger manhood than who? She did not explain that. Here the problem is the facial expression of male. I mean, whether he was shocked, embarrassed, or caught off guard is open up for discussion by fans. Others, they believe that Mary was just shocked, Uri. How could you even say that? What do you even mean? My opinion. Here's my opinion. Advocates, you are being crybabies. I mean, to me, that was like Mary realizing the another level of shades that Thandeka have. He was like, okay, baby, can you say even that? Like, life? Come on, bruh. Be serious. And you guys were just taking this out of proportion. One thing that I've realized about Thandeka is that she has sarcastic humor. From Big Brother interviews on the podcast, whenever she's talking, someone is getting shaded. Whether now she was shading Umeli or she was shading other person, we don't care. I mean, really, it doesn't matter. But otherwise, I feel like we're just blowing this out of proportion. Thandeka could have just been saying it for the sake of saying. It doesn't mean anything about Millie's manhood. And you guys, you are the one who are actually insinuating that. The advocates. You are the one who are actually insinuating that manhood might be like this. And it's very wrong of you, because why do you even get into people's private things? I mean, come on, guys. It's so wrong of you. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. When it comes to Thandeka, I will speak. As long as she's trending, who am I not to speak about her? Come on, guys.